This color is blinding y'all. And I'm gonna just do myself a favor and just put these shades on. Like, you feel me? Hey, what's up? We about to get lit, ayy, and turn up. Yeah, lit, ayy, and turn up. Yeah. Hey, what's up, you guys? It's your girl, Nicole, and today I'm back at it again with another mother flipping video. Today's video is going to be on this hair, y'all. The tea, the shade, the shiznai, all about it. Let me take the shades off. We gotta get serious. But yeah, you guys, I have this hair, this install that I want to share with you guys. So if you want to know how I got this color, what hair this is, what I did to achieve this color, how I feel about the hair, a quick little initial review, then please keep on watching. Okay.
Run up the tab, run up the tab. Everything new edition, everything expensive. Run up the tab, run up the tab. Everything new edition.
Alright, so first and foremost, I must say that this hair is from Beauty Exchange Orlando. This is my second time working with these brands of hair. The hair that I am wearing today is the Royal Touch 613 hair to the root, as well as the Viva frontal and 14 inches body wave to the root as well. So first things first, let's talk about the frontal and we'll make our way down and then we'll talk about the color. So as far as the frontal, I had my eyes on this frontal because the lace on the frontal was already brown. It was my skin tone. Now, if you buy hair from AliExpress or if you buy 613 hair from AliExpress, you know that the lace always comes, you know that the lace always comes white. Or like, you know, 613. It comes 613 and then you have to go and color the lace or put foundation, tint it, stuff like that. I have bad experience with tints and lace, so I just put foundation on it. And every time I wash my wig, it comes off. So this one, I didn't have to do that, you guys. Look at the lace color. It's definitely exactly my skin. You can't detect it. And another thing is, you guys, this is where it got me wet. I didn't have to pluck one thing. You understand what I'm saying? I didn't have to pluck one piece of hair from this frontal. And it might not look the most perfect because it's a couple days old and I've just been tying it down and spraying it and stuff and building up the lace glue. But I didn't have to pluck one hair out this wig. Okay? Let me sit a little higher so y'all can see. So with that being said, I love that. Didn't have to do anything extra. I just put the color on my wig, sewed it on, cut the excess lace off the sides of my ear off, and boom, there we have it. Okay? So that's for one. So as far as the bundles, I have in 3 bundles. I have in a 24-inch, a 22, and a 20. And I find it so crazy because this 24-inch bundle, y'all, comes down to my waist. So why is it that AliExpress hair 24-inch bundles don't really come down that long? Or if they do, like, I usually have to get like a 28-inch for it to be this long. So, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, that's something I should probably start measuring my bundles and stuff like that with a tape measure or whatever. So yeah, that's that. This color, actually, shout out to one of my followers that DM'd this to me. I'm gonna try to look at my DMs to find out what her name was. But real quick, as far as the color, what I used on the ends, I'll put it up on the screen or I'll play a little clip of me dyeing the hair. It's self-explanatory, y'all. I dye hair with y'all all the time. Okay, you guys, so we're back at it again with Royal Touch. And today I got the 20, 22, 24, 613 straight to the root body wave. I got the Viva frontal. Now, Royal Touch has frontals, but I wanted to go with this one because the lace is already dark, and I'm not blessed like my light skin friends. So I wanted to go with this dark lace, so I wouldn't have to do more to it. So, yeah. And this is a 14-inch. So, yeah, we do have a little jump between the lengths, but you know I'm a layered out. Okay, y'all. So now we're going to get to the dyeing portion. Oh, my nails cute, aren't they? Thanks. Alright. But, yeah, y'all. So we're going to do this. I'll see y'all. But the hair that I used, it was I think a Kiss hair dye, and then I used at the roots a forest green. The follower supporter that suggested I do this color suggested that I do it to the root, but y'all know how I feel about the root colors. I just can't. I have to have a different root color. It helps my lace blend better with my skin and makes my makeup not make my baby hairs look dirty. It just blends all well for me in that way. So thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below what we should name this wig. Comment down below how you think I'm pulling off this color. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, follow me on my social media. Oh, and don't forget to shop at Beauty Exchange Orlando. Real quick, let me give you the prices on this, or if I can't get the prices right now, I'll put them on the screen as to how much everything costs. Just know that when you do shop at Beauty Exchange, color hair is going to be added $30 more to its original price. So with that being said, you'll see the price right here. I do want you guys to go check out Viva. They do have an online website. They have lashes as well, which I am wearing. I am wearing the Chick lashes. They're mink lashes. They're so beautiful. Go check them out right now. Also, oh, I almost forgot. One more thing I forgot to mention is I am wearing the Ghost Bond lace glue on my head. And normally, you guys, I don't really like to do the whole lace glue thing because it means I have to leave my unit. You don't have to leave your unit on longer, but the fact that it's not as easy to come as off as got to be. So they have two glues now. They have the original and then they have the Ghost Bond Platinum. And the Ghost Bond Platinum is supposed to last longer and is be water resistant. So I have been using it. I liked it. I am going to try to do a test sooner or later, so stay tuned. And also, just real quick, I know some of you guys might ask what I use to crimp my hair or what I use to get these waves. I use this bedhead crimper that I got from Target for like $30. Okay? If you want a tutorial, let me know as well. But yeah, don't forget to shop at Beauty Exchange Orlando, and I will be in Miami this coming weekend, and I will be, you know, vlogging and stuff, going over there to Beauty Exchange and showing you guys. We gotta mess with Beauty Exchange, okay? It's the way to go. So thanks for watching again, and thank you Beauty Exchange for working with me, and I love you. Mwah. Peace.